upon a time, in the Kitty Kingdom, the queen was old and frail, so she decided to pass the throne to Cindy, her little princess. But she was not sure because her daughter was young and very playful. She doesn't know how to rule the kingdom. One day, the queen decided to give a challenge to Cindy. She wrote a letter of mission and sent it to Cindy.
Dear Cindy, my little girl, I have ruled this kingdom for a long time, and now it's time for you. Let's learn and make our kingdom happier. At that time, you will become the queen of this kingdom.
Cindy read the letter and wondered. The little princess thinks that only money can make the country develop and people happy. She decided to find out how to get rich. The next day, Cindy surfed the internet to search for ways to get rich. She accidentally saw an advertisement for Rosie, a philosopher, tips for rich kids book, and many of his famous statements, such as must do to eat. Cindy rejoiced, thinking that she has found the secret to get rich. Suddenly, a kind-hearted fairy appeared in front of her and said that,
There's not what you need. Follow me, I will let you know the root of happiness.
In the blink of an eye, the fairy took Cindy out of the magnificent castle. They flew away and stopped at a school in her own kingdom. She saw a weird view. Crying children don't want to go to school. When she entered the classroom, Cindy saw the teacher just focusing on the lecture but did not observe the class. The students in the class worked individually. Some talked, some played. When students disobey, the only thing the teacher does is scold and be angry. Suddenly, there was a small argument in the classroom. A boy and a girl were fighting over a book.
This book is mine.
It's mine!
The teacher, with an angry face, pointed at the boy. Give her back the book right now. And then the boy glowered at the teacher. It's so unfair.
Cindy felt so bored in another lesson. Suddenly, heard the voice of a curly-haired student.
Teacher, please. The word should be singer, not singer, right? The class bursted out laughing, which made the teacher feel so ashamed and angry that her head looked like a tomato.
At that moment, she suddenly thought and said,
Miss Fairy, I finally understand. Education is the most important factor to make the kingdom better, and only teachers are able to do so. But how can I become an effective teacher?
The fairy smiled gently and said,
They tried find the happy kingdom. Only there you can find what you need. In the happy kingdom,
Cindy realized that the kingdom was different from her kingdom in all aspects. Students were happily and excitedly went to school. Teachers were always friendly and welcoming to students when they went to school. In this place, the teachers spent a lot of time preparing and planning lessons before going to class. When students lost focus and made noise, they said nothing, sat down, and took notes instead of acting angrily. That's strange. All the students were silent and continued to focus on the lesson. If two students are fighting over things, the teacher will clearly ask the situation and solve it fairly, making the students happy again. When they made mistake, they admitted and fixed it.
That's right. Thank you, Alex. You have concentrated on the lesson.
They also always understood each student's strength and weakness and focused on the strength. After the adventure, Cindy learned a lot of things. She came back to the Kitty Kingdom using every strategy. She trained teachers and helped them become effective teachers. Since then, the Kitty Kingdom became happy forever after. Do you want to know her strategy recipe? There are 12 traits our princess has noted.
Number 1. Prepared. Number 2. Positive. Number 3. Hold high expectations. Number 4. Creative. Number 5. Fair. Number 6. Display a personal touch. Number 7. Cultivate a sense of belonging. Number 8. Compassionate. Number 9. Have a sense of humor. Number 10. Respect students. Number 11. forgiving. And number 12, admit mistakes.
After every challenges, Cindy finally became the queen of Kitty Kingdom. Oh, don't forget, education, the key of happiness, and an effective teacher can change any children's future.